Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. We got a 19, this is a 95 6.5 liter diesel. I'm gonna do a cold start on it. So let's see if I can prop my phone up here. Let me see here. Gotta find somewhere to put my phone so we can get a cold start on this puppy. Alright, I'm gonna go start it up from inside. There we go, guys. There's the cold start on her. Wow, smoky. It is a cold one out today. As you can see my breath. So it's like, I don't know, maybe 30s right now. I have a 60 degrees today. So nice thing about winter is cold starts, so we're gonna do more cold starts. All right, well, you guys all have a great day. Stay tuned for when even the colder weather hits and my hands will be even more frozen. So all right, peace out. Happy weekend, everyone. Take care.